Yeah, sure. The chef Juliet Bala. And then you're going to roll it. This is super hot. You roll it. Hi, so hot, guys. So guys, as you can see, let's bring the other one. Yeah, let's bring this one. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Juliet Bala. In case you're new here, welcome, and in case you've been there, thank you so much. So today we are making a Rolex. Rolex is chapati combined with eggs. Yeah. So whatever we're going to need, we're going to need cooked chapati. Yeah. So this chapati, I made them with some onions. Yeah, that's why you are seeing some green stuff on it. Yeah. So yeah, we are having chapati, and also we are going to need some eggs, guys. Eggs you can use. I'm going to use 4 eggs, but you can use 2 or 3. Yeah, because we are going to make Rolex and yeah, something that I'm going to show you later. In this video, also we are going to use black pepper. Black pepper is good to for the taste in egg. It's normally good. It neutralizes that there's that taste that eggs normally have. And also we are going to have our cayenne spice. I love these spices, guys. I love the spices, and I don't know if I can have any substitute to them. Yeah, so we are having cayenne, and also we are going to have salt. This is salt. I've just put it in this container. So this is salt. We're going to have salt, and also we are going to have coriander. Coriander, yeah, we're going to have coriander. I love this container of mine here, and we're going to have tomatoes. We're going to have tomato, fresh, just fresh from the farm, and also we're going to have our. This is called a capsicum. Yeah, and we are going to have red onion. Red onion is also called red onion. It's also called purple purple onion. Yeah, I was wondering why is it being called red onion and it's purple? Anyway, go and Google. So we will start by cutting our onion. Yeah, we're going to remove the unwanted starch. Yeah. So this is so big, man. Anyway, let's remove it. Yeah. So after that, let's just give it a thorough wash. Yeah, we're going to give this a thorough wash. So let's remove this as well. Guys, Japan told me where you're watching it from, so I can send you some ads. I told this is fresh from the farm, fresh from the farm. Yeah, so just like that. Let's just give it a thorough wash, okay? Yeah. So we are going to dispose this, and then so guys, we are going to chop our green pepper, also called capsicums, and also the onion, okay? Done. 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 Try that one. Chop your body, chop body. They look pretty, yeah? So we're going to drain the water in this, and then we put them one by one by one. Yeah, guys. So just like that, and we are done with our vegetables. Yeah. Oh. So we're going to take our what? It's called what? Coriander, 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 some coriander, guys. Yeah. So we're going to wash it thoroughly. Yeah. So that we're gonna chop it. So guys, our coriander is ready. Yeah, as you can see, it's so it looks amazing. It looks so good. So we're going to wash our chopping board. See the color? Looks so beautiful. It's good to be clean, guys. It's good to be clean. Yeah, so after that, we're going to take our eggs. So we're going to take our black pepper. Then we put it just a little bit. Yeah. We're going to take our cayenne, and just put a little bit, guys, just a little bit. Yeah. We're going to take our salt. Uh, just a little bit, a little bit. Yeah, but just like that. So we're going. And now it's time for us to build this. Before that, let's just mix it, give it a thorough mix. Yeah. So after that, we're going to take this. Take coriander. We're going to take onion. We're going to take tomato, onion, coriander, and green pepper. Just like that. That's easy. Then this is for the recipe. Yeah, so we're gonna mix things together. Mix things together. Mix just like that. So when this is over, you turn it. Yeah, so guys, then you put your chapati. Put your chapati. Put your chapati, and then it's, ay, 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 ay. Oh, put a lot oil. Yeah, like that. I like that. So we are having the remaining one. Here it is. I think there's too much. Yeah. So we are having the remaining one here, and yeah, we're going to put it. Yeah. So then we wait for this one to. Then we're going to flip it. Yeah, like that, just like that, like that. Then we put our chapati. So you're going to flip this. Going to flip it. Going to flip it and remove these ones. Ay, ay, ay. It looks nice, right? It looks like a pizza. Yeah, so it's heated already, and it is time for us to just. Mhm. Wee, 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 wee. So here guys, this is how it looks. So we're going to roll it just here on the corner. We're going to roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. This is so hot. Just like that. Yeah. Okay, we're washing our knife. Roll it. So super hot. This one is super hot. Super hot. Turtles. Surprise. Close your eyes. I wanna surprise you. I wanna surprise you. Surprise. And just like that, it's ready to be. Guys, as you can see, let's bring the other one. Yeah, let's bring this one. Yeah, sure. I'm the chef Juliet Bala. And then you're going to roll it. This is super hot. You roll it. Hi, it's so hot, guys. Tell you, it's so hot. You must achieve what you want to achieve. There's no way. Since it's not cooperating, I don't know why it's not cooperating. Why are you not
And
cooperating?
voila, guys, we are done with our Rolex, and that is called chapati Rolex. The name originated in Uganda, so how is that? Very simple and easy recipe, especially when you have the chapati and you don't want to take them plain. This is the way to go. You can make them with the 2 eggs. You can make them with 1 egg. It's enough. Yeah, but this one slaps. It tastes like pizza. Yeah, thanks so much for watching my YouTube channel, guys. And thank you for staying until the end. In case you haven't subscribed, subscribe please. Subscribe so that I can be bringing you more recipe. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again in another new video, it's a wrap on my end. I hope you like it. Bye.
So guys, we're not going to use the remaining ingredients. I'm rushing somewhere, but I promise you I'm going to give you the next recipe. Yeah, so that's why I've just left them. So I'm rushing somewhere, and yeah, we're done. Okay. Yeah.